Hello everyone, welcome to Vishesh Educational Videos. In this video, I am explaining about the difference between stream pointers and file descriptors. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to like the video. Please don't forget to share the video with your friends. To get the notification of my new videos, please click the bell icon. So let me begin the explanation of difference between C stream pointers and file descriptors. So both stream pointer and a file descriptor is used to create and open a file, right? So stream pointers are allocated to the fopen function call. File descriptors are allocated to the open system call. I told you both stream pointer and file descriptors are used to create and open a file, but the way is different. How we are going to create and open a file in a stream pointer means using a fopen function call. So in a file descriptor, how you are going to create and open a file means using a file descriptor function call, that is open system call. Getting in stream pointer I use fopen, in file descriptor I use open system call. So for example, you can see there file star fe. So fe is equal to fopen. So I am using a fopen system call. Here int fd, so I am declaring a pointer as fd. Here I am in a stream pointer I am declaring it as star fp, that is a pointer to the file. So fd is equal to open, you can see there. So both the stream pointer and file descriptor are used to create and open a file, and you can access the file, but the ways are different, you know that. And when to use a stream pointer and when to use a file descriptor. So stream pointer is efficient to use for applications they do extensive read write to files. So if you want to do more rigorous amount of reading and writing, right, then if you use a stream pointer, that will be useful. When to use a file descriptor then? File descriptors are more efficient for applications that do frequent random access of file. So file descriptors are suitable when you do random access, frequent random access to files. But if you want to use more, if you want to do more extensive read and write operations to files, then stream pointer is suitable. So that you have to decide. You have to decide what type of application you are creating. Based on that, you have to decide whether it is useful to use a stream pointer or a file descriptor. Getting, guys? If you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. And one more important thing, if you use a stream pointer means stream pointers can be used in any operating system, right? No portability issues arise here. You can use stream pointers in operating systems such as VMS, CMS, DOS, Unix, right, that provide C compilers, right? So you can use stream pointers in almost all operating systems. If your operating system provides a C compiler, you can easily use these stream pointers without any problems. So portability is not an issue in stream pointer. You can use it in any operating system. But in file descriptor, it's not a case. File descriptor, file pointers are used only in Unix and POSIX compliant systems. Getting, guys? So file pointers are used only in Unix and POSIX 1 compliant systems. You can't use file pointers in all the operating system, right? So that is the advantage of a stream pointer. You can use it in any operating system. Getting, guys? Next. So the file descriptor associated with a stream pointer can be extracted by file number macro, right? You can extract, right, the file descriptor associated with a stream pointer. How you are going to do that? It can be extracted using a file number macro, which is declared in stdio.h header. So how you are going to do that means you can see there int file number file star stream pointer. So you can extract the stream pointer that is associated with a particular file descriptor. You can do that using this command. And one more important thing, to convert a file descriptor to a stream pointer, suppose if we want to convert fd to the, if you want to convert fd to the fp, that is fd means file descriptor, fp means stream pointer. To convert the file descriptor to a stream pointer, how you can do that means we can use a fd open C library function. You can use a fd open C library function to convert file descriptor fd to fp, that is stream pointer. How you can do that? File star fd open, right? What are the arguments for this? A file descriptor is the argument and the mode, open mode, is the argument that specify the mode. File descriptor is the argument that contains the file descriptor of a file. You can convert your file descriptor to stream pointer using a fd open C library function. Getting, guys? Here star means what? It's a pointer. Star refers to the pointer. Pointer contains the address of the another file. You know that, right? If you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Next, the following is the list of some C library functions and their underlying Unix APIs. For example, if you are using a stream pointer, so what is the library function you can use to read, write and open? You can see there, if you are using a stream pointer, you can use fopen, right, function to open the file. But if you are using a only Unix compliant system, that means if you are using a file descriptor, you can open a file using a open system call. Getting, guys? That is the difference. If you use a stream pointer, you can use a function fopen to open a file. But if you are using a right file descriptor, you can use a open system call to open a file. In the same way, to read the contents of a file, you can use fread, fgetc. Getc means get character, fscanf, fgets, right? These are the functions that are used to read the contents of the file if you are using a stream. If you are using a file descriptor, then you can read the content of the file using a read system call. In the same way, to write the contents to the file, fwrite, fputc, fprintf, fputs. If you want to write the contents of the file, you can use this. To read the contents, you can use fread, fgetc, those things. So this fwrite, fread are for stream. If you are using a only Unix compliant system, then you can use a write system call to write the contents from the file. Write the contents to the file. Okay. Next, in the same way, seeking means you can, if you want to move from one position to another position in a file, you can do using a fseek function, fputc, fprintf, fputs. If you are using a C stream pointer, right? If you are using a file descriptor, lseek is the command to seek from one position to another position. Seeking means you can move from one position to another position, right? Next, to close the file, if you are using a stream pointer, then what is the command? Fclose. If you are using a file descriptor approach, then to close the file, close is the system call. Understood the difference, guys? So whenever you use a stream, right, you have to use the prefix fopen, fread, fwrite, like that. If it is a file descriptor, it is a direct system calls that are going to be used here: open, read, write, close, like that, right? So hope you are understanding the concepts. Suppose if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Thank you for watching the